Wairarapa TV and local news for Friday the 9th of December. Pukaha Mount Bruce National Wildlife Centre has completed a comprehensive survey of the kōkako living in the reserve, and the results have been impressive. The intensive kōkako census completed in October has identified 30 pairs of kōkako currently living in the reserve, with a conservative estimate of 9 other juvenile birds sighted during the survey. International singing and songwriting superstar Lady Hawk will headline a summer concert in Masterton. Lady Hawk, also known as Masterton born and raised Pip Brown, has confirmed she'll perform at Memorial Park on Friday the 3rd of February. The former Chanel College student is looking forward to coming home. Martinborough's newly opened Ventana Creative Collective welcomes its 4th show in 5 months. 10 local artists from the Wairarapa have created beautiful, masterful works that will be on display all summer for an exhibition entitled Made in Wairarapa. And in sport, a professional cycling team made up of riders who all have type 1 diabetes will make its first appearance in January's New Zealand Cycle Classic, a UCI 2.25 stage held entirely in the region. Team Novo Nordisk, the world's first all-diabetes pro cycling team, will contest the 30th anniversary of the Cycle Classic, being held in Wairarapa from the 22nd to the 26th of January. For Wairarapa TV Local News, I'm Brent Gare.